Hold on, man, hold on. That's what I do, so when I go to town, they give some business. Hold on, don't keep down. Hey, this way, tell me what you make out dummy we used to run into? That little dummy when they was practicing they used to run into? That's all they used Obama for. He couldn't do nothing else. And they kicked him out of the locker room because he kept running around naked there. Crazy out there. He gonna be in the news, he gonna make money though. He gonna be the first one got with my
Ain't my fault you wanted to see my elephant trunk trick. Ain't my fault you wanted to see my elephant trunk trick. Now I don't know who you talking to, but it ain't my fault you like to watch boys got to think I'm quiet.
Right. You will to keep doing this stuff.
I'll leave them cockroaches alone, Mr. California. I'm back quiet.
All right. Worldwide, the West Coast ball, Switchblade, push I'm up. I know you said my damn radio. You said big boy. You said something about big boy. You said that everybody. Big boy, that's your man. I got the MT Switchblade push up. Yeah. I got him still linking on whipped cream, man. I got him with the pork chop and it's on linking on whipped cream. Take care of Switchblade. Man, baby, I got this baby on them hot pickers, man. Take care of Switchblade, man, baby. Bye-bye. Got here, I think at 2:30. We got there at 2:30, man, so I've been out here since 2:30, man. Hey, Snoop Double Dizzle. I've been bumping this cap figure down since 2:30 straight, man, no doubt about it, man. I ain't got a timeout on these almighty Bojangles and these cap figures run. Hey, Snoop Dogg, these cap figures run, and they run with some key down time. Hey, Snoop, how long do I need to hold this stick, Snoop Dogg? Talk to me and I talk back. Come on. I'm a DJ, pimp shit.
Got out here at 2:27, got to pick up. You got out here at 2:27, I'm back quiet.
I see you. I'm not that Obama oh, President Obama. Oh, the big man business, 766. What the hell on, bang.
Well, I'm going to say hello right back, 766. I'm going to get out of Blade way. I don't key with Blade, and I don't even try to key on Blade because he don't key on me. I'm listening to Blade Talk Show, 766, President Obama. I'm back quiet. You've been dipping in and out of your business, man. You've been dipping in and out of your business real hard, making little comments. They can't think of throwing down, no doubt about it. Hey, Snoop Dogg. Keep doing what you're doing, man. I'm going to ease out of here, man. I got tired and I just so enough got hungry, man. I was supposed to eat before 6 o'clock. I'm running a little late. Hey, real wise Snoop Dogg. Tell them boys that daddy's gone. I see you, bye. Damn, my bad. My bad. I'm sorry. It's after hours. I left my service puppy at the animal shelter by.
Hey, I'm just trying to say hello. That's what you play. Hey, Blade, that's what you right there. Hey, Blade, that's what you. Switchblade long running 623.
out of here. Washington Drive. I'm canning down trying to see what the hell going on out here. 623 out, I see it. I don't want no stealing my baby. I don't want no stealing my baby. Take care, Switchblade. Tell them two twins behind me, 63 and 623. I say good job. Take care, worldwide. Switchblade, Wolfleg, man, baby, say bye-bye. Worldwide, Washington Drive, 766. Just come in to say good evening. I didn't know they was down there fighting. Oh, worldwide, Washington Drive. I didn't know them boys in Southern Cal was fighting down there. Washington Drive. I'm going to say it for myself. Tell myself the same thing. Drive my radio. I was talking to him. You tell 809 I said the same thing. And tell that I said hello. And I said I'm going to tell you, paper side try sucking up. West Coast beat. But I ain't got a problem in turning it up. Hey, tell me wrong. So I don't know about this. I don't want. He's the real boss that I'm bossing. Like the cross talking, I try to key down when they key down. When you, whoever you talking to is cross talking, hey, Washington Drive 623 on. Hey, Washington Drive, they still talking Switchblade, man. They still talking to my tag. But no, I thought I heard you say somebody was cross talking. I thought somebody they thought. Rocking the band, right? Tomorrow, 623 out. release it. You said when I release it, when I shoot it, I'm repeating that, nigga. Oh, hey, your mind. Fuck that, man. You got that mama dog, man. Thermostat in the background. It's not this time. It's not this time. It's not thermostat time. You better sit down. Cause I told you, once you're done, it's time to hammer down, Switchblade. Switchblade. The baby got teeth. Then boy, when I'm playing with the baby got teeth. Take care, Switchblade. Tell me, Jamaican baby. Tell them, bye-bye. Oh, got down. Baby got teeth. Baby bite, baby bite, baby bite, baby bite. Crazy baby bite. Still out of key. You try talking to me, I heard him call my name before you key. Take care. Hey, Switchblade. Man, baby said, I ain't gonna beat them boys no more. I ain't gonna whoop them boys no more. I'm not gonna kill them boys no more. I ain't gonna let the baby fight them boys. I'm not gonna let the baby fight the fat boy. And I'm not gonna let the baby fight the slimming plate skinny boy. Take care. Worldwide Switchblade. Worldwide Switchblade. Listen. All that love locking you was doing today. Water pipe and Big Al is gonna meet up tomorrow morning for breakfast. They say Water pipe and Big Al gonna meet up at Chicken and Waffle tomorrow morning, that break.